Hello, welcome back. Today I'm at the Fairview Cemetery in Colorado Springs, Colorado. We're going to be visiting the grave of Louis Uncer. He was a race car driver known for doing the Pikes Peak climb here. So I'm going to tell you about his story as we look for his grave.
Pikes Peak or bust. Here's the entrance to the long road up Pikes Peak, Colorado, where thousands are thrilled yearly by a 12-mile race that takes the starch and heart out of everybody but a champion. There's the start, 12 miles of grueling, skidding, heartbreaking climb. No smooth, wide track, no banked curves here. You take that dust and dirt and bumps and hairpin twists as they come, if you can. If not, you're liable to crash a few hundred feet down to a very dry Davy Jones locker. All cars are champion equipped. Here again, a champion with champions is tops at the top. There he is, Louis Uncer, under the flag for the second consecutive year. Time 16 minutes, 1 8/10 seconds. Boy.
Louis Uncer was born March 16, 1896 in Alton, Illinois, and became a legend in his own time. The Uncer family, including brothers Joe and Jerry, came to Colorado Springs in 1909. Fascinated by Pikes Peak and the Pikes Peak hill climb, Uncer entered the hill climb in 1926 for the first time driving an old Studebaker, but he did not win it until 1934. The win in 1934 was only the beginning, as Uncer also won the hill climb in the years 1936, 1937, 1938, 1939, and 1941, and scored victories again after World War II in 1946 and 1947. In 1953, at the age of 58, he captured his 9th victory on the hill and set a new hill climb speed record. Although the hill climb was the pinnacle of his career, he also raced roadsters in Colorado Springs, sitting behind the wheel of a car owned by Bill Kenz on several occasions. He took his rookie test at Indianapolis during the Depression, although he never competed in the race. Uncer drove the hill climb for 42 years, and in 1967, the old man of the mountain, as he is referred to, raced his last competitive race at the age of 71, paying for his entry fee with his Social Security check. Trying for a 10th victory, he took the car to the 11,000-foot level before the radiator blew, and he had to sit out the rest of the race. In 1968, he stood and watched his nephew Bobby gain the #1 spot at the top of the hill. His nephews, Jerry Uncer, Bob Uncer, and Al Uncer, would all go on to be champion auto race car drivers in their own right. Once retired, he and his wife Mildred lived at the foot of Pikes Peak in a home built from his hill climb winnings. And Louis Uncer died October 18, 1979, at the age of 83 here in Colorado Springs. So his grave is up in this section here. When I first arrived, I saw like 3 or 4 deer over here eating some leaves, so I have a little short on that. Alright, here is his grave. You see Uncer. There's Louis, March 16, 1896 to October 18, 1979, and his wife Mildred B. October 28th, 1907 to December 11th, 2002. Looks like some people left some little Christmas ornaments or something here. And yeah, actually there's a lot of Uncer family here. So there's a Joseph. I think that was his brother. Here's his father, Louis Uncer Sr. Hi, honey. 1872 to 1930. Here's his mother, Marie Uncer, 1871 to 1952. And his sister, Marguerite, 1865 to 1956. What do you think about that? Yeah, so we got the whole Uncer family all together right here. And yeah, even his dad was a car race driver, I believe. So his whole family is known for being race car drivers here in Colorado. All right, rest in peace to the Uncer family. Hope you enjoyed that video and getting to see the grave of Louis Uncer. Please like and subscribe for some more videos, and I'll see you at the next grave. Thanks.